In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the file download location on your Chromebook device from the browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Downloads. And then on the right side, underneath Downloads versus Location, select the Change button. And then you can change it to a different file directory on your computer. You can even select a new folder and then have it saved somewhere else. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.